bao tiền của yo ora chỉ tận đây nó chỉ cái chỉ lắm lòng nữa cái okay ni sẽ được bao tiền yes okay thia cô trong đây trong chờ là nè bà cô yo lọp bia lúc bao lúc chỉ đó này còn này ít xíu này chuột chuột na nhớ sao nó này na còn này sẽ được tao tao thia giờ lên từ mỗi ít lúc chú ý nè này là comment là sao tôi được cô là tao nè don't worry cô bảo cô tôi khen thế cô bảo thì cô yêu ơi cha cô yên yêu một tại embassy nè okay thế cô yên yêu một đó thì tạm lo thế giờ thì năm cô yên chỉ trong xe cô yên bữa chỉ cho rồi chị you know cô yên tao đấy tao chờ chị cô yên chỗ cầu là cô yên yêu một thì tạm lo nè okay so nên không phải để giờ vì cha cô mong cô khó liveตัวเรา private because อีคอเงินเก่าซะนะโอเคอีคอvì côเนี่ยcô chỉ notch tàu hai tàu thếเราอยู่เราโอ้ยจ้องน้องมองชิมบังสื่อนะโอเค so that's the reason why กูเทลิมูโยชัวอีชับเลยกูสาจังโดนในจอนินจิมดมองตัวเอให้สอสื่อจีละเอียดเทียให้เอจังตะคะเราtự trả thô chế yêu cho mong nè còn nó đã yêu cầu của tôi sẽ lo chấp lời thì khó của thế chỉ yêu gì mong nè vì nếu yêu cho mong ở nên notch tàu hai chỉ tàu you guys are cowardice people của tôi sẽ chấp lời thì của yêu là ôn mong I stand for my rights okayนี่เสียนี่แต่โอ้กูย่องตอนเตา it's about time แล้วว่ากูจู what the fuck is wrong with you guys this is the reason why เป็นมงชิมวยรู้ได้เจอกันไหนยังต้องไปอีจับปลานะกันในตัวเตาเลยนะนี่บอกว่าเดี๋ยวกูตัวตรงเต้แล้วนะเจ้ากูย่องรู้ได้เจอตื้อนะชัวเต้ไทยเต้ปลอเต้นะ I don't give a fuck อย่าแล้วว่ากูจูกูตัวเกียร์ I stand for my rights and I stand กูวันนี้ยอดเจอขอจังนะนี่บอกเป้าเลยนะกูเคลียร์กับสตอรี่นู้นเองกูยังมูโดนแต่เอ็มบีซีอ่ะ I don't give a fuck about กูรู้จริงมั้งนะ don't or กูรู้ชัวร์ I give a fuck about my rights okay กูตัวเด้อหูกูเจ้าล้วนกูอยู่ใจจูอย่าชิงยันยังเจ้ากูนะ what happened เหรอนี่ภาษาบอก what happened we went to a bar last night I went with my parents and Joe on Walking Street in Pattaya and we went in and we paid for a service. Yonipo Pattaya, Walking Street, huh? It's almost like a red light district. Anyways, we walked in. We paid for a girl that worked at the bar to come sit with us, okay? So, I'm pretty sure there's CCTV cameras everywhere. So, but what happened was that there was a girl working there. And you can rent these girls, okay? For so I paid for the service, okay? We bought beers. I paid for the service for the girl to come sit down with my dad. Nothing more. Just to come and sit down with us and drink with us. That's how it works out here. When you go out, you can pay for services. But what happened was that Nutulonto, I bought a holu na Nutulonto to holu bar tena. We didn't know that in the beginning. It was her pimp or her boyfriend, whatever the case is. I don't care. But what I care about is that I paid for my service. So The girl you chủ tao lần đó bị shot. Okay, is all I said. I don't care hai tiền to lần đó to pimp. The problem is that to pimp or to lần đó or to Judah, he was Israeli na. So yes, it does get political. All right. So I said, okay. I put you. Okay. So I said, I want my money back. Give me my money and we'll get out of here. Okay. That's it. It's business. It's a done deal, right? Isn't that right? That should be correct. Where if you're not gonna give me my service, give me my fucking money. That's it. I don't give a fuck if I'm drunk or not, because I have a right to be here, to have fun, and to be drunk. Okay? So all I said was, give me my fucking money and we're gonna fucking bounce. So that's what happened. Guess what? Okay? They're not happy that we were demanding for our money back, and so they kicked us out and said that we were intoxicated. Okay, so we left the premises, and that's when we got fucking jumped outside. Okay? So, this is what you guys want? For our fucking rights to be violated? So, no, I don't give a fuck what anyone thinks. I stand for my rights. My rights were violated. It's not safe in Thailand. It's not. So yeah, you're not such a high. I paid for a service that I didn't get. And in the end, I stand up for my rights. In the end, they want to fuck us up. Hi there. Your name, so I don't care. And you guys want to be out here talking about, oh, you know, you guys got shit fucked up. Why are we not standing together? Okay? And then it does get political because we're Americans. Israeli, they're not only taking over America, they're taking over Thailand too. And that's what happened. They didn't like the fact that we were Americans and we were exercising our rights. And that's why we got our ass whooped. And you know what? Why will us doctors go to our hotel to make sure that they send doctors to the hotel to take care of us, of all of our wounds. But when I wanted to file a police report, then my dad and Joe was telling me that, oh, I'm trash. No, bitch, I'm not fucking trash. Okay? I want to fucking report this to the police department and to the embassy. And like I said,